Are you ready to join the elite ranks of the finance and insurance in the automotive industry? Introducing Willowood Ventures Finance and Insurance Masterclass. Did you know that for every 12 salespeople in the dealership, there's only one F&I job available? That's right, competition is fierce and the opportunities are limited. But here's the exciting part. The average F&I employee income ranges from $170,000 to $400,000. With these staggering statistics, it's clear that most salespeople won't have a shot at getting promoted on their own. That's where Willowood Ventures comes in. They provide you with an unfair advantage in catapulting your career to new heights. Our comprehensive finance and insurance class equips you with the knowledge, skills and strategies to excel in this highly lucrative field. From mastering the art of closing deals to maximizing profits, we'll give you the tools you need to stand out and take charge of your financial future. Don't settle for an average career when you can have an extraordinary one. Join Willowood Ventures Finance and Insurance class today and transform your future.